Hello, my dear students. My name is Miss Cabije, your math teacher for today. And it's math time, and we're going to have so much fun. We're going to do fantastic. All right, so let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about decomposing fractions. Our learning objective is aligned to our Common Core standards. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to decompose fractions into a sum of smaller fractions with the same denominator. Along with this objective, you will be able to break apart a fraction into smaller fractions and, of course, write a fraction as a sum of unit fractions. Okay, so the big question for today, kindly read Student A. Thank you so much, Student A, for reading that. Yes, you are right. How can we decompose a fraction? How are we going to do that? Okay, but before we jump into that, I would like you to check into our poll today. So, how are you feeling? I want to know. All right. So we have already your answers. Thank you so much for sharing your feelings. All of you are ready to learn, excited, okay. And oh, one is anxious. Okay, but I'm so happy that no one is tired. So you are so ready to kick this off. So don't worry. I'm here to help if ever you get confused. Okay. All right. So this is you and your feelings. So we're going to be doing a little bit of this figure later on. Okay, so we also know that fraction is a part of a whole, and sometimes it is a whole itself. Okay, but our topic is what? Decomposing fractions. So, what do we mean by decomposing? So, decomposing, we're going to unpack this by doing the okay, we're gonna break this apart because we're talking about breaking apart, right? Okay, so D means yes, student C, not. Very good. You are learning from your English teacher. How about composing? Yes, student B, it means yes, to create or form or to make something, right? Okay, from the word compose, like when you compose a song, right? Okay, so when we put that together, it's gonna be not to create, make, or form. So it means that we're not creating, we are breaking. So breaking what? Our topic is all about fractions. So breaking fractions into smaller parts. Okay, so that's basically our topic today. So looking at your check-in, so what fraction can you think of by looking at this figure? Okay. 4, 6. Why 4, 6? Okay, why 4, 6? All right, because there are 4 slices with pepperoni, and then the total number of slices are 6. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, how can we decompose a fraction like this? We're gonna take the same fraction, but in a different situation. Okay, so the problem is you are a detective, and you will find out how the pizza was eaten. So in a pizza party, there are a couple of friends who were sharing the pizza, and 4/6 of the pizza were already eaten. Okay, so it is represented by these slices. So see that each of these slices is called unit fraction. So how many slices do you see? 4. So we're going to represent it with 4/16. So 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, and 1/6. Okay, so how do you think it makes up the 4/6? Yes, student B, we add the numerator. So when we do adding, we're going to use the plus sign, plus, plus. And then when we add fractions with the same denominator, are we supposed to add the denominator too? No, of course not. Okay, we are going to just, yes, student B, very good. We're just going to copy. So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 is equal to 4/6. Okay, but wait a minute. Okay, there will be like many ways to decompose 4/6. Okay, so how are we supposed to do that? Okay, so we're gonna be doing, okay, all right. So I want to ask and extract from your brain how you're going to decompose 4/6 in a different way. All right, yes, student B. Okay, you said 2/6 plus 2/6. Okay, because 2 plus 2 is 4, and then you just copy the denominator, so it's 4/6. Okay, how about, okay, let's go to C. Okay, all right, student A, take it away. How are we supposed to decompose 4/6? You said, not, okay, 3, 6 plus 1, 6, because 3 plus 6, I mean, 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes, you're correct. Okay, let's go to the style of letter D. Okay, yes, student. Yes, student C. Okay, student C, how you're supposed to decompose 4, 6. Okay, so it's, okay, yes, correct, very correct. 1, 6, and then 3, 6. Okay, I noticed something. Do you notice about the style of C and D? Okay, so the numbers are just switched, right? Because if there's 3 is right here first, and then 3 is now written right here. Okay, so it's still the same. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, you are learning. You're so good. Okay, now I'm going to take you to another activity. Okay, so let's go back to our Nearpod. Okay, in your breakout rooms, you're going to have assignments. Okay, you are going to find ways to decompose the fractions. So student A, you will decompose 4/8. Student B, you will take care of 5/9. And then student C will join student D to take care of 6/7. Okay, all right. Okay, I should have your answers right now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we have here, okay, let me see. Okay, now student A, this is your answer for 4/8. Student B, so good. Okay, looking good. Your answers are looking so good. All right. Now, okay, I'm going to let you watch a video. Okay, the video contains the review lessons, okay, that we are discussing today. And after that, you are going to do your exit ticket, okay, onto the Wayground. In the chat, I post in the chat the link, so you just have to click it and then get onto it. All right. I'll see you after you're done with your Wayground, and we're gonna be discussing your results. Okay.